Hi, good evening everyone. In the previous class, we have discussed the problems and calculation of a equivalent length for a compound pipes. In this class, I am going to discuss calculation of a equivalent dia for a compound pipes. This is the last problem for the fourth chapter. Here we are going to calculate the equivalent dia for a compound pipes. So let's go for the problem number 1. Find the diameter of uniform pipe to replace a compound pipe line having the following elements. Means here diameter of uniform pipe means this is the equivalent pipe. It is replaced with the compound pipe. So here uniform pipe dia becomes capital D or small d. So the compound pipes dias are becomes D1, D2, D3, so on. So here he has given that 1000 meters of 50 centimeters diameter. So in the problem he has given, let us consider the pipe 1 is 1000 meters and also it is having the 15 centimeters diameter, and the pipe 2 compound pipe 2 has given that 500 meters and 40 centimeters diameter, and pipe 3 has given that 250 meters of length and 40 centimeters are diameters. L1, L2, L3 are different lengths of a compound pipes respectively. D1, D2, D3 are the compound pipes of a diameters. Here we have to calculate the equivalent dia of a pipe. Here asked that uniform diameter means nothing but that is capital D or small d. Here we have to calculate. So first you have to write here the given data. L1 is equal 1000 meters and D1 is equal 50 centimeters. It should be converted into meters, that is 0.5 meters. L2 is equal length of the compound pipe 2 is equal 500 meters and D2 is equal 40 centimeters. It should be converted into meters, that is 0.4 meters. L3 is equal to 250 meters and D3 is equal 30 centimeters. In the when it is converted into the meters, it should become 0.3 meters. So here let L be the equivalent length of a pipe, then it can be written as, so L is equal L1 plus L2 plus L3. So from this is the definition, equivalent definition. What do you mean by equivalent pipe? So equivalent pipe is of uniform diameter. It has having the loss of discharge and head loss is equal to the loss of discharge and head loss of a compound pipes. Here L is the equivalent length of a pipe. L1, L2, L3 are the compound pipes. So from that concept here we have to write L is equal L1 plus L2 plus L3. The sum of 3 L's becomes 750 meters. The equivalent length of a pipe becomes 750 meters. So we know that the equation for the equivalent length of a pipe, so here L by D45 is equal L1 by D45 plus L2 by D245 plus L3 by D345. Here we have to calculate the D value. Here we should calculate D value. So we should substitute the above values in this formula. Here L is equal 750. Here L is equal 750. L1 is equal 1000 and D1 is equal 0.5. L2 is equal 500 and here D2 is equal 0.4. L3 is equal 250 and D3 is equal 0.3. Here we have to substitute the above values in this formula. Then we can get D45 is equal 0.0125 252. So after simplifying that, here we will get the d value is 0.416 meters. In centimeters it becomes 42 centimeters. The equivalent dia of a pipe becomes d is equal 42 centimeters. Thank you everyone.